Welcome, here I've got Microsoft Surface Duo and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open the camera settings. Now we have to simply slide a little bit to general category, and here at the third position we have location tags option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using that button from the right we can easily turn them off and turn them on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.